Hi, it's Mohini. Welcome back to our channel. Hope you guys are doing well. I'm here to let you know of a new product that I've been trying and that I really enjoy using. If you saw my other video on Grande Lash MD about the serum, this is a supplemental product that I use. It's Grande Repair Leave-In Lash Conditioner. So before I go to sleep and I use the serum on top of my lashes, I actually put this conditioner on my lashes as well. And this was also voted Allure's best and some of the best beauty products of 2020. So I would definitely give this a try. I love this brand. It's really helped rejuvenate all my eyelashes. As you can see, now that I'm getting closer, my lashes are 100% natural. The curl, they're soft, they're vivacious, long, and feathery. I really love putting, this is just one coat of mascara. I don't like overdoing it. I think the natural look is the best look for me, at least, because I have small eyes and I like to do fun makeup looks. I feel like if I wear fake lashes too often, it like takes away from the dramatic eyeshadow looks that I usually do. And my eyes, they just look like long feathers, so I like to go for the natural look. I think it ties together well, and making this part of my routine helps keep my lashes long, luscious, and beautiful. So if you guys enjoyed this video, let me know if you had a chance to try the product. I'll make sure to add the link to the description box below. Leave comments, let me know how your progress is going. I would love to hear from you guys. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and check out some of our other videos in the playlist categories. Thanks so much for your time and hope you guys continue watching. Bye.